We are closing in on one of my favorite trees from one of my other videos. If you guys remember, I've said this a few times. It's the easiest way to tell when fall's coming. And it is completely orange. I caught it before all the leaves fell off. It's just so pretty. I don't know why I love this tree. I think I just love the way that the vine wraps around it almost like a, not a shawl, but you know what I'm talking about. Just wraps around it so perfectly. It's so happy. Anyways, happy fall. Middle of October, we made it. See you next time.